And the result is also there.
ഈ സൈഡിൽ
ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ്
ഇന്ത്യ പ്ലേയേഴ്സ് എല്ലാരും ഇവിടെ സോയല എന്താ അവിടെ മാറിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇനി വാ നമ്മള് കഴിഞ്ഞ
Atomic Dextrol presents Pharma Cricket League Season 5. Powered by Amina Healthcare and co-powered by Right Health and New Country Healthcare. Thank you all for coming over here and making this beautiful event so wonderful and more excited with the wonderful matches for the last weekend and today. So today, let me go directly to the final session, final ceremony. So let me invite our main sponsor, Muhammad Amin and Praveen. Requesting you to come over here to the stage. Along with that, we have a special guest over here. One of the senior most person over here in Sharjah who was there in the healthcare for more than 35 years. He is one among us, and as a big brother he is there with, and he is more familiar with many NGO associations all over here, there in Dubai as well as in Sharjah. And he is associating with many organizations over here in Dubai. And his honor of Right Health, no, clinic name, Raise Healthcare, sorry, Right Healthcare, and welcoming Shaji Narikali. Mr. Shaji Narikali, requesting you to come over here to the stage. And Shaji Atar, that's a much better way to express him. And he's here as one of our chief guests. And from the last 35 years of experience, couple of months back, Shaji Bhai has written one book, Race of Success, and he has written the book with his experience with the day-to-day practical, and it is much more useful for the young generation who are coming over here in the UAE market especially. Today, let me welcome Shaji Bhai to hand over his book to the main two teams, Ahalya as well as Dokib, to hand over the book. So let me. Before giving the books, I need two words from Shaji Bhai about the PCL as well as his experience over here.
Hello, hi, very good evening. Very glad to be here today. It was a nice event. I don't know how to express my feeling. You know, the players who played, it was amazing. Really, you know, I appreciate the team behind the Pharma League people who organized this match. It's not easy. It is easy to see, but it's not easy to, you know, organize such a way. It's a wonderful, amazing, and I will try to bring one team from my Race Healthcare next year in this match, and also I will be one of a part of this game in every year. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and I would like to present my book to two teams. Later on, I will give to you. Thank you so much for introducing my book also here. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Along with that, our co-sponsor from Right Health, he is also here welcoming Faisal Bhai also over here to the stage. And our co-sponsor Ajish from Amina Healthcare also. Can I invite the captain from Ahalya? Requesting Amin to hand over the book along with and captain from Doki also. And big brother Shihaba is coming over here and welcome.
Come on, we have been broke. Show your energy. You are the great good, the race is success.
This event, it has not happened on one day because it has many work was there from the last more than 4 to 5 months. People are behind this thing. And during this over the period, many people who have supported us, and today let me welcome Mr. Robin and Miss Sonia. They are nurses and they were working in the healthcare and they were selected as the healthcare influencer in the social media. They were active and they were supporting the Pharma Cricket League and requesting the couples to come over here to the stage to take the appreciation from the Pharma Cricket League. Requesting Ajish from Amina Healthcare to hand over the appreciation gift to the couples. One more gift is there.
Hello? Hello?
Requesting Faisal to hand over to them. Thank you, couples. Thank you for the support which you are giving over there in the social media. Thank you. Today, as if, on this busy time, coming over here, Shaji Bhai, requesting Praveen, the co-founder of Atomic Drugstore, to hand over the memento to Shaji Bhai.
Guys, I need a big voice from you. It's over. You don't want to wait for the police to come over there. Enjoy. Next, I would like to call Mr. Joji. Please come to the stage, right? Gentlemen, Mr. Joji is the best supporter for our media. He supports the media very well for all of you guys over here. I request. I request Ajish to hand over this beautiful memento to Mr. Joji.
Hello. Thank you, Joji.
അടുത്ത് നമ്മൾ ഇത് മാറ്റി അടുത്ത് ഇത് മാറ്റി
And requesting our senior member who is there with our team for the coordination of the Pharma Cricket League, Ramakrishnan. Just requesting you to come over here to the stage.
Requesting Ramatan, our great, lovely chap in the pharma industry. I request Mohammed Amin, please come forward and give this memento to Mr. Ramakrishnan. So gentlemen, for today's event, from the jersey launch to the first day and the second day, the finale, it's gone over, very beautiful. We all encourage very well. I request Mr. Amin to be there. Please be, and I request Amina's representative to come forward and share this beautiful memento to Atomic Drugstore, Mr. Amin Mohammed. Be in the big row, please.
So, thanks for the sponsors to make this event a wonderful and beautiful event. And now let us go to the main gifts and the honors for the players who were there, who fight for the last 2 days. So, the last final, in the final match, the man of the match, let me... Nafshi Calicut, man of the match. Requesting Ajnas to come over here from Pharma Cricket League.
ഒന്ന് ചിരിയടാ
And requesting Nafshi to be there because he is the best bowler for the tournament. Requesting Shafi to come over here to the stage. Best bowler, wonderful. Wow. What a super amazing bowling on the field.
Let me invite the best fielder for the event. I would like to call Mr. Harris from Hira Truck Store. I believe he's not here.
And let me invite the best batsman of the tournament. Girish Alapi. And from our cricket league, Haris, come over to the stage. And man of the series, Nafsi.
The most gorgeous player of the tournament so far, Nafsi Calicut. Congratulations.
And requesting Ajish from Amina Healthcare to hand over the gift. And the bat, wonderful bat is there. It is from Ajman Sports. The bat is sponsored by Ajman Sports.
Ajman Sport is our official sports partner. What a wonderful player he is, Nafsi Calicut.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's come to the main point over here. Thank you very much all the support from your side, especially from the sponsors side. Your wonderful and amazing support for this great Farmer Cricket League season wise is unforgettable. So we're all happy from our end, but something has to be done here, something has to be revealed here, which is all are expecting here. I think both the teams are here. So let me call up Team Dokip. Please come on the stage for receiving your runner-up trophies.
The main sponsor, title sponsor, the co-founder Amin and Praveen, along with Ajish from Amina Healthcare and Faisal from Right Health.
Come on, raise up a big blow for Team Dokip. The runner-up, the struggle, the passion, they came over here to raise this cup. Congratulations to Team Dokip.
മെഡല് കൊടുക്ക് മെഡലിടടാ മെഡലിടേ ഐശ്വര്യം വന്നേ അളിയനടെ പ്രാർത്ഥനന് മെഡൽ കൊടുക്കോ
ജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
ആ മെഡല് കത്തിപ്പോ
Thank you, Team Dokip. This is a wonderful memory day for Team Dokip. Thank you so much. Your effort that gains here, you lift the trophy. Thank you so much for this one. Now, the moment has came here. I would like to invite our main sponsor, Atomic Drugstore, Mr. Amin Mohammed. Please come forward. Both of you, yeah. Thank you so much. So this is a memorable moment for everyone. This is a memorable moment for all the cricket players here. And we know that there is winners and runners here. And there are losers over here. And they will be back soon for the next season. I'm sure that. Yeah. Definitely. They are waiting with to engage for the 2026 big event. So,
last time we were runners, now we are winners.
You will deserve that one. You deserve that one. From the day 1 to day 2, you deserve that one. Much appreciate on that. But beware, some are behind you. They are waiting for you. All right. So I request the main sponsor to hand over the medals one by one. Each of you come forward. First, I request the manager or the captain to come forward. Line up and come back. Please line up one by one. A big job for Amin and Praveen over here. Now I request everyone to come forward all together, please. Come. It's okay, it's a honor. It's a honor. Love. Thank you. Come forward. All right, thank you, Ahelia. Thank you, much appreciate. Let me call up the captain in front of. Where is the captain of your team? Captain, please come forward. Captain. You can call like that. Yeah. Better reminder. No problem. You can feel free. Who's the captain? He's the captain. You just make a zoom. Wait a minute. One second. I request the Amin and Praveen to come forward. Here, just hold on. I don't have space. Thank you very much. You deserve the best. You are the champions of Former Cricket League Season 5. Much appreciate your patience, your confidence, and everything. So all right. Praveen, please come forward. Yeah. All together. Captain. Ladies and gentlemen, Former Cricket League Season 5, the winners.
ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ് ഒന്ന് നേരം നോക്ക്
This is a big proud moment for Atomic Drugstore, Amin and Praveen to hand over the Former Cricket League Season 5 Champions Trophy. Wow, this is an unforgettable moment for everyone. Every cricket lovers love this moment.